Where's your new playhouse? Woo! Cool! Wow, you got your own gas station? Wow, Rocco Man.
Stove.
What do you think? Isn't that the coolest thing you've ever seen? Ring the doorbell. It's up, Pooh and Trixie. Oh, go inside. Open the door. Open the door. Oh, that's so cool. Rocco Man.